Martin Romualdez, sina dating Senate President Cheese Escudero at dating House Appropriations Committee Chairman Zaldico na siya raw na gumawa ng mga desisyon sa budget. Sa gitna yan ng pagtatanggol niya sa kanyang sarili sa aligasyong siya ang mastermind ng mga umano'y anomalya sa budget. Sabi pa niya, kung merong may command responsibility sa budget, yan daw ay ang ehekutibo. Nakatutok si Sandra Aguinaldo.
To those who think they can throw me under the bus to save themselves, this is what I have to say to you. I am ready to defend my name.
Palaban ang mga pahayag ni dating House Speaker Martin Romualdez sa inilabas niyang video message ngayong hapon. Git ni Romualdez, hindi siya ang mastermind sa kontrobersya sa budget insertions at flood control projects na yumanig sa bansa nito mga nakalipas na buwan.
How can I be the mastermind? I was the former Speaker of the House of Representatives, but the House of Representatives is only one part of the branch of government. It is a product of a constitutional chain involving the executive, the House, and the Senate.
Kung siya raw ang mastermind, dapat daw ang distrito niya sa Tacloban ang pinaka nakinabang. Pero gate niya, wala raw ni isang ghost project sa kanyang distrito.
To prove this point, I'm authorizing my staff to share and release to the public the list of all the projects in my district that the authorities may deem attributable to me. Let the public scrutinize and verify for themselves.
Sa kanyang pagtatanggol sa sarili, itinuro naman ni Romualdez sina dating Senate President Cheese Escudero at dating House Appropriations Committee Chairman Zaldico na siya raw gumawa ng mga desisyon ukol sa budget.
With respect to how the budget was deliberated in Congress, let me say this categorically. I was not a part of the BICAM and the small committee budget deliberations. Yes, I was updated on the general outcomes of the deliberations, but I had no visibility with regard to the specific details of the discussions, including particular amendments or insertions approved during these closed-door deliberations. Records would show that I did not participate in those meetings and I was not privy to what exactly transpired during the deliberations. However, two people were instrumental in making those budget decisions, Cheese Escudero and Zaldico.
Kung meron daw may command responsibility sa katiwalian sa budget at sa implementasyon nito, yun daw ay ang ehekutibo.
If corruption were to occur in a magnitude made known to us over the past months, then it's clear that the real corruption does not happen at the level of the general legislative approval alone. It happens at the level of execution of the General Appropriations Act. That is why command responsibility is far more logically relevant in the executive branch, where there is actually supervision, operational control, and implementation on the ground, than in the collegial legislative body where constitutional role is deliberation and appropriation.
Sabi ni Romualdez, hindi na raw siya papayag na maging sangkalan sa katiwalian ng iba.
Is that there are emerging indications that certain sectors are attempting to weaponize individuals, including Zaldico, to construct a narrative that serves their own interests. So when the legal processes is being used against me as a political demolition job, then I will have no choice but to defend myself. I will not allow myself to be turned into the scapegoat so that others who are actually accountable can walk away clean. I will not go quietly and I will not go alone. I will not be the fall guy for other people's corruption.
May iniwan din siyang mensahe sa ombudsman na humiling ng whole departure order sa Sandigan Bayan laban kay Romualdez.
What I ask of the office of the ombudsman is simple. Follow the rule of law and due process. This is a serious matter and it should be handled with seriousness, not with haste, theatrics, or shortcuts.
Sinisika pa ng GMA News na makuha ang panig ni na Escudero at co, pati na ng palasyo at ang ombudsman ukol sa mga sinabi ni Romualdez na pinsang buo ng Pangulo. Sandra Aguinaldo, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.